Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Godrej Magarpatta, which is located near Somnath Nagar, Magarpatta Road, Pune, and developed by Godrej Properties. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housing. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Godrej Magarpatta will be constructed on 12 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now checking out the location and the connectivity of the project. Project is just located near मुंडवा इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, सोमनाथ नगर, मगरपट्टा, पुणे. और ये जो आप लोकेशन देख रहे हैं, यहाँ इन कंस्ट्रक्शन है, इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साइड में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है सीजन मॉल विद इन 1.9 किलोमीटर, मुंडवा चौक विद इन 3.1 किलोमीटर एंड पूना वाला फिनकॉर्प विद इन 3.7 किलोमीटर. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द एमिनिटीज पार्ट ऑफ द project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like amphitheater, aqua deck, multi-purpose hall, gymnasium, clubhouse, kids play area, senior sit-out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Godrej Magarpatta has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 900 to 950 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1150 square feet to 1500 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1900 to 2000 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Our pre-UI windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model, and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with pre-UI process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Godrej Magarpatta, which is located near Somnath Nagar, Magarpatta Road, Pune, and developed by Godrej Properties. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housing on www.housing.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.